a plus b whole squared. Okay, now expand a plus b whole squared equals a plus b and a plus b. Now expand, multiply each term of the first bracket with each term of the second bracket. So now expand a and a plus b plus b and a plus b. Right, now a and a times a squared, right, plus a and b, right, and plus and then b times a b plus b and b squared, right. Now equals a squared plus ab equals 2ab plus b squared.